Today my topic is archaeological exploration in the Nagmati River Basin, Kutch, Western India. The Kutch region is located in the western part of India in the state of Gujarat. The region has been attracting scholars and researchers from across the globe for its geological and archaeological significance. Archaeological studies of more than 100 years have revealed sites ranging from prehistory to modern day. The discovery of an important Indus city like Dholavira has put Kutch as an important region for archaeological studies in the country. The present study deal with the newly explored sites having remnants of different phases of Indus civilization discovered along the Nagmati River basin. Nagmati River is a major river in the southern part of Kutch. The upper part of the river and the surrounding area was selected for exploration. An area within a radius within a radius of 20 kilometers from the Gajot village was selected for exploration. Toposets and satellite images were used before field exploration. This was followed by field survey, which led to the discovery of various sites of the Harappan periods. In our exploration, we discovered a total 8 sites. 8 sites, among them 6 sites are of the Chalcolithic periods and 2 sites from the historical periods. Out of 6, one is an early Harappan burial site and one is an early Harappan burial site. 2 sites have classical and Sorat Harappan artifacts. The remaining 3 sites consist of the Sorat and late Sorat Harappan cultural materials. 2 sites of the historical periods have been evidence of the torpedo jars and red polished ware. Here is the Gajot locality 1. The Gajot village is located on the bank of a Nagmati river and is 24 kilometers south of the Bhuj. The village and surrounding area has a total 4 sites, which been named as the Gajot locality 1, 2, 3, and 4. The Gajot locality 1 is locally known as the Gadda. The site is located 2 kilometers north of the village on the bank of a Nagmati river and is highly disturbed due to agricultural activity. The site is approximately 5.4 hectare in area. Artifacts collected from the site have similarities with the unearthed from the Rangpur 2A, 2B, and 2C. The pottery collected from the site includes classical, Sorat, and late Sorat Harappan, and also reserves liquor and a perforated vessel from site. Perforated jar from the site. A disturbed fortification wall made out of a stone was noticed at the site. One of the disturbed wall of the fortification has approximately 57-meter length and approximately 2.3 meter in height. During land leveling activities, reveal artifacts of the various materials. One copper dagger found from the site has a mid-rep, sharp edge, tang, and pommel. Similar dagger swords were noticed in the copper hoard culture in North India. Vessel collected from the site includes pot, jar, basin, dish on stand, perforated jars, convex and concave sided bowl, channel handle bowl, stud handle bowls. Other artifacts like terracotta spindle bowls, beads, terracotta discs, shell bangles, and shell objects also find. Grinding stones, hammer stones, and lithic debit also find from the site. The Gajot locality 2 is located 3 kilometers west of the village. The site is approximately 1.73 hectare in a size. Some part of the site has been disturbed due to plantation by the forest department. The remaining area is intact and undisturbed and shows structure mark on the surface. The site has two structures visible on the surface. Here is the general view of the structure 1. Structure 1 is a rectangular portion and portion room leading to a circular path. The length of the structure 1 is a 13.5 meter while width is a 5.30 meter. Similar structure was reported from the Dholavira last stage of the Dholavira, while circular curvilinear structure have been reported from the Rojdi and Kuntasi in Saurashtra and Nagwada in North Gujarat. While structure 2 is seems to rectangular in shape but is not completely visible, the length of the structure 2 is 9.20 meter. The wall of the both structure have thickness of 70 to 19 centimeter. Pottery collected from the site have more similarities with Rangpur 2B, 2C and Rojri B and C. Blades, hammerstones, lithic debitage and mullers also find from the site. Gajod locality 3, locally known as the Junogam, located in the northwest corner of the Gadra site. The site is near a tributary of the main Nagmati river. Ceramics collected from the site similar to the pottery reported from the burial site of the Dhaneti in Juna Khatia, and also here is the Juna Khatia, Mathal, Dhaneti, Surkotla, Janan and Dholavira site is a early Harappan site. There are no visible capstone or a circular square stone burial structure to the ones found in the Dhaneti and Juna Khatia. A pot containing beaker was found during the survey. Based on the relative dates, the site can be dated between 3000 to 2600 BC or maybe later. Gajod locality 4, locally known as the Gaji Kafarni Gani, is a 2 km southwest of the Gajod village. The site is highly disturbed due to intense agricultural activity. The size of the site is approximately 2.4 hectare in size. During surface collection include red polystyrene, torpedo jars, shards, and shell bangle fragments also find from the site. The ceramics have similarity with the pottery from sites like Siod and Nani Rayan in Kutch. This is the Babia locality. The Babia village is located 6 km southeast corner of the Gajod. A total of 3 sites were discovered at the village. 2 sites were of the Chalcolithic period. One has Chalcolithic, historic, and late medieval artifacts. The site Babia locality 1 is locally known as a Junogam, located west of the village between the hilly slope and a water reservoir. The size of the site is approximately 2.5 hectare and artifacts collected from the site have more similarities with the Gajod locality 1. Cut columina of the shell, grinding stones, blades, fragments and lithic debitage were collected from the site. Here is the image of a pottery collected from the site, Swarat Harappan pottery. And grinding stone and shell objects. On the eastern corner of the site, we found 98 chalcolithic blades, flakes, 18 cores, and a lithic debitage. Here we also find twisted ridge blades and also ore from the site. Babia locality 2, the site is located north of the village and is locally known as the Khimavaru Khetar. Site is highly disturbed due to intensive agricultural activity. At the site, chalcolithic artifacts were found in a cluster. Historical and late medieval pottery are found all over the site. Chalcolithic pottery collected from the site includes pot, jar, concave, convex, channel handle bowls also found from the site. A non-diagnostic shard has a post-firing graffiti mark on it. One torpedo jar also found from the site. Babia locality 3, the site is located 4 km north of the village and is locally known as the Jakakanda. The site size is approximately 1.87 hectare. Exploration revealed pottery, lithic, flex and grinding stone also find from the site. Here is the general view of the site, and on the site some cluster of stone found on the site. The pottery from the site, similar pottery found from the Gajod locality too. Buragad A. The site is located south of the Megpur village, locally known as the Buragad. The site was first reported reported by Gujarat State Archaeology Department in 1980-81. Chalcolithic site has disturbed due to agricultural activity. The site on the northern side of the river name is the Buragat A and the other is the Buragat B. Buragat A is approximately 5.5 hectare in a size. A fortification wall is represented at the site. Here is the fortification wall. It has approximately 125 meter in length. A few residential structure also present at the site. Buragat fortification wall. Here is the fortification wall, and some find also mount from the site. Mount there. On the surface of mount, wall structure also visible on the surface, and terracotta bead in situ, and cornerstone at the site. Total 6 cornerstone find of this site. Pottery from the site: classical Harappan, Soratha Harappan, late Soratha Harappan pottery, reserved slipware, and black and red ware collected from the site. Vessels from the site include pot, jar, basin, dish on stand, perforated jar, convex, concave, and channel handle, stud handle, bowl also find from the site. The ceramics are similar to Rangpur 2A, 2B, 2C, and Rojri A, B, and C. From the mound, a copper bangle and a shell ornaments were discovered. Also found from the terracotta spindle wall, and some terracotta spindle wall also have a different types red sleeve on the bead. Hammerstone find from the site, shell and a bivalve find from the site. Copper bangle and a sword shell ornament find from mound, and terracotta figurine also find from the site. Buragat B. The site is located on the southern bank of the river. The site is highly disturbed. The size of the site is approximately 1.50 hectare. Pottery collected from the site have similar with the Gajot locality bone, charred animal bones, and shell bengal or shell find from the site. Here is the Surat Harappan pottery: bowls, pot, jar, basin, perforated jar, and also charred animal bone. Hammerstone find from, and also terracotta animal figurine find from the site. Observation: the Chalcolithic sites in the study area can be roughly dated between 3000 to 1600 BC. After the Chalcolithic occupation, the area was occupied even in the early historic and medieval periods. Sorat Harappan reserve slipware represent the regional Chalcolithic cultural tradition of the region. Medieval torpedo jars from the site are the indicator of the early medieval foreign trade activities. The study clearly showed that systematic archaeological exploration can be exposed many more archaeological sites in this region.